Hello viewers, in this video we are going to look how to draw the shapes of square, rectangle, triangle, hexagon and pentagon. Now let's discuss how to draw these five shapes by using Scratch. So go for create. So for drawing the shapes, we need pencil or pen. Normally, if you want to draw on a book or a paper. Now, if you want to draw on Scratch, what is required? So we'll be having the option called pen. Uh, to select that option, we'll be having the block of extension. Click on the add extension and select pen. Now we'll be getting all the different blocks which are in the pen. So erase all, set up, pen down, pen up, and color, changing the pen color, setting the size of the pen. So we'll be, when we are writing the code, I'll be explaining the code how we are going to use these blocks. For that, now I want to draw suppose a square. For that, I will be selecting required sprite, that I can select pencil or pen. Right, I'm selecting pencil and I'm removing the cap. Now, first I want to draw the shape of square. So for that, select when we start the green flag. So when I'm clicking the green flag, I should get go for pen. So we should get pen down and should draw with some color. Set the color, which color you want to draw the outer one. So I'm selecting violet. So now I set the pen color. Now I want to give the movement for the pencil or a pen to move. Now I'm giving move steps. That is for 100 steps. And it should change the angle. Means as we know that triangle, rectangle and square has four sides. So total angles of a quadrilateral will be of 360 degrees. So 360 divided by 4, that is 90 degrees. So now select the block of turn 15 degrees. Here change it as 90 degrees. It should repeat the same one for 4 times. Go for control and select the block of repeat for 4 times. Repeat and make it, this repeat should be for 4 times. Now let's see. But now if we observe, we are seeing the pen corner. So we can change that. If we should look that if the nib is drawing the art. So go for costume and make the pen to be the at the corner. So I'm selecting the pen and making it to be the corner. So now if you see, you will be feeling like it's drawing the same. So and we are feeling it's drawing very fast. Now select the block of wait for 1 second to identify that how it's drawing clearly. If you observe its drawing, wow, already what is that is drawing on upon that, because we are not given any erase option. First, if it's drawn, if it start the new one, we should give the it should start with the new. So for that, go for pen and give erase. So first give it down on the green flag. This block indicates when you start the green flag, all the previous work which was done, it should be erased, and next the pen should start working. So this is the way how we can draw the square. Now in the same way, now if I want to draw a rectangle. So rectangle is also having same 90 degrees, but length is same and breadth is different. For a square, all the sides are equal. So we have taken 4 times for same moving steps. Now if I want to draw a rectangle, I should change the length and breadth should be different. So now I'm selecting the block of other block, move. Suppose I'll be giving this one as move 50 steps. Instead of 10, I'll make it move 50 steps and turn 90 degrees. So this should be happen only for 2 times. Now if we draw, now we have got, it's drawing 4 times. I should change it to the 2 times. Now we also how to draw a square and a rectangle. Now suppose if I want to draw a triangle. So triangle is having how many sides? Three sides. That is 360 divided by 3. That is 120 degrees. So move 100 steps and make it as turn. It should turn how many degrees? 120 degrees. 120 degrees and should wait for 1 second. How many sides we are telling? We are telling it as a 3 sides. Now make it as 3. Now let observe. Now if we feel the length of the line, the thickness of the line is very less. So if I want to increase the thickness of the line, so change pen size. So if we change pen size, it is for thickness. So I'm making it as 5, and now let's see the variation. So if I change the pen size with the thickness, so I got, after changing 5, I have got more thickness. Now let's observe how to draw the polygon. Polygon is having 5 sides. So 360 divided by 5, that is how many degrees? That is 72 degrees. Directly I'm changing to 72 degrees, and we are having polygon has 5 sides. So change it as 5. Now I want to give one more variation in this block. I'm changing the pen color. So I'm changing its pen color. So we have drawn a pentagon. So as it is having 5 sides, I had given the repeating of 5 times with the moving the length of the side. For one side, I'm giving 100 steps and it should change the angle. Now, last one is how to draw a hexagon. It is very simple. 360 divided by 6. Hexagon is having 6 sides. So 360 divided by 6. That is 60 degrees. So directly change instead of 72, make it as 60, and I'm making this repeat. It should be continued for 6 times. Now I'm using only the same blocks and I'm changing to draw the shapes. If you want, you can use separate blocks. Again, select the one more green flag and give some other location to draw all the blocks separately. Now I'm giving repeat blocks and turn. Now if I want to give some other colors, like multiple colors, it should the color of the pen should change simultaneously or at automatically. So that is, here you will be having a block called change pen color by 10. So it's happening only if I put near the green flag, it will be happening only once. Suppose if I put inside the repeat block, for each and every side we'll be getting different color. Now let's see. Now if we observe, we are having all the different change pen color by 10 ones. Okay, so instead of that, if we are putting the pen color, the angle is changing. So now I'll be using one more repeat block to make it to change the color. No, I'll be using change pen color by 10 by itself values. And now let's see. It was changed only one time. It's changing its color. So now if we put the color inside the first block before the repeat, and now let's see, do we get the same angles or the angle is going to change? Yes, now we got the same angle. So this is the way of drawing the all the polygons like pentagon, triangle, rectangle, square, and hexagon. So this is a simple program. By using the pen extension we are drawing. And if you want to add more sprites, and if you want make your animation beautiful or make your drawing beautiful, select any suitable background which makes you look beautiful. So you can take any of the plain color which is very good. So you can change the color of the background also. So go for the background and say change the background color. So I'm getting a backdrops and I'll change some color to as we are getting all the light colors, I'll be taking dark color as a background. So right now I'll be clicking the green flag and let's see. So these are now I'll give a suitable background for that to look beautiful. And finally, after drawing the shape, give the title of the project like shapes of the quadrilaterals or shapes of the triangle, shape of hexagon. So just I'm giving like shapes in Scratch. Thank you.